Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm back with another video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you 7 awesome websites that's going to pay you $20 per hour. You can earn quite a bit more on these websites if you decide to combine a lot of them, but these websites are a form of active income, so it is going to require a little bit of effort. But if you think about it, these sites can save you a lot of time where you could be, where most people are earning a minimum wage, flipping burger patties, whatever it may be, where you could be making $20 per hour from the comfort of your home. Plus, I've got a bonus for you guys. Site number 6 is my favorite website. I'm going to show you exactly how that one works. So it's important that you stick with me until we get to site number 6 so I can show you how that works. But without further ado, enjoy the video and let's get straight into it. So the first website that I have for you guys is called Revcom. Now, Revcom is a website that's going to pay you to transcript videos, to create captions, and also foreign subtitles for videos. And if you're good at multiple languages, you can also use Google Translator. You can actually earn $3 to $7 per minute translating videos to various different languages such as French, Japan, Spanish, you name it. There are so many different languages. And then there's also transcription jobs. There's also caption jobs where you can earn $1 per minute. So you know what transcription is? You're basically going to convert audio or videos to text, where you can use Google Documents for that. You can also use the voice to text feature to speed the process up for you. And you can see some of the most popular companies that use this website: New York Times, CBS, Viacom. And if I actually come up to the services tab, there's a services tab on this website, and I go view all services. You can see they've got the various different services and what you can earn. So they've got rough draft, so 10 cents per minute, machine generated scripts, English captions, translations, and then foreign subtitles. And this is my favorite one. So I'm going to click on foreign subtitles and you can actually see what you can earn. So they've got various different languages that they want you to basically translate their videos for you. So English videos, if you translate them to English, you're going to earn $3 per minute. And the highest paid one at the moment is Japanese. So if you can translate English videos or audio files to Japanese, you're going to earn $7 per minute. And you can use an easy tool. So you can go English to Japanese in Google, and it will pop up the translate for you. So if I go hello, it's just going to translate it to Japanese for you, and you can use that to benefit your earnings on Rev.com. And the next website that I've got for you guys is also a really cool one called Magic Ears Teacher. So Magic Ears Teacher is a website where you can earn $20 to $26 an hour, and you're going to teach kids between 4 to the age of 12. So it's an English learning platform for students aged 4 to 12 with a relentless focus on the long term. So their mission is to bring a global classroom experience to every child and to provide the best online career opportunity for teachers. So I mean, this pays really well. So I mean, if you know basic English, I'm sure a lot of people do. Maybe if English is not your home language, you can take up like a little English course where you can actually become a teacher for this platform. And you can read up a little about it. So they've got, here we go, earn $20 to $26 an hour. They've got flexible hours, you work from home, secondary positions available as well. It's a very interactive platform, superior curriculum design, instant bookings, free training resources. So they give you a lot as well. And they've actually got a couple of teachers giving testimonials on the website as well that you can go and read and listen up to hear what they have to say. And you can sign up here. So email address, password, verification code, and a referral code if you have one. And you can also subscribe to the newsletter, which is really awesome. So this one is great. You can teach kids online between the age of 4 to 12, and you're going to earn $20 to $26 for that. And the third website that I have for you guys is actually a really cool one, and that is GitHub.com. And I'm sure maybe some of you have heard of this before. But you can go to a website called github.com/about/careers. And this is a full-time job. This is not like a little online making money scheme. This is a business that will pay you to do a full-time job. You can see here you'll enjoy 100% coverage of health insurance, invest in your future. So you'll take a stake in the future of your success on their platform. You'll get equal grants for full-time employees. They offer a competitive 401k planning with a company match of up to 4% of your year-to-date salary. So this is really a full-time job, and you can see you've got a ton of open positions here. So you've got a business development, business systems, communications, engineering, finance positions, legal positions, marketing positions, people operations. They've also got products, sales. You can see there's a lot of sales positions that just go on. The list goes on. They've also got security, services, and support. So, I mean, if you want to look at getting a full-time job with GitHub.com, this is definitely the website to come to, where you can find some open positions, and they've also got a couple of internships. If I come down, you can see open internship positions. Most of them are technical and got to do with software development, which pays a lot of money. And I know that because I'm studying software at the moment, and it is currently one of the highest paid fields in the world. And you can see, you can read through this website, you can see all the different benefits that you're going to get, but this is definitely a great one to look at. And the next platform that I've got for you guys is also pretty cool, and that is called Lyft.com. And Lyft.com is very similar to that of Uber, but why I prefer Lyft.com, because the tips. Lyft really focuses a lot on tips, and the tips really pay well. You can see, you can come to Lyft.com, there is a driver tab, and you can apply to become a driver. So you just got to enter your phone number. You can see your reliable earnings. If I click on the make money button, or on the link, you can see earn on your terms. So Lyft drivers are earning to reach important goals, like providing for people. So it's very similar to that of Uber. And you can see when you drive with Lyft, you can cash out your earnings any day of the week, and their express pay feature lets you get paid instantly. So as long as you've at least earned $5, you can cash out, which is really great. And you can also, you don't need to have a car. So if you don't have a car, you can still earn with Lyft, even if you don't have a car. So their express drive program lets you rent a set of wheels, a vehicle, at an affordable rate, and you can use the car for driving with Lyft and personal use, which is fantastic. So you can apply on this website. You can see become a driver button, and you can become a driver. And the next website that I have for you guys is called Chegg.com. So Chegg.com is also got to do with online tutoring jobs. So you can start tutoring online with Chegg tutors, and you can see top tutors can earn $1,000 per month, starting at $20 per hour, which is really good pay. Again, it pays a lot more than that of the average wage of a teacher in my country, which is really good. So I mean, you can log in when it's convenient for you to tutor, so you can work on your own terms. It is completely flexible. As you work and you work over time with Chegg.com, you're also going to be building more of a reputation where you can earn some awesome bonuses, and you get paid every single week. So they focus on tutoring, and they'll handle the rates and the billing for you, where you get paid into your account, and you can tutor from anywhere, in your dorm, coffee shop, or at home. All you need is a computer and internet access, which is really great. So this is a great full-time job opportunity for you to teach online and earn wherever you are on your own terms. So this is the easiest way to find online tutoring jobs. And you can see some of the teachers that are listed on Chegg. You can read some of their testimonials and have a read what they say, and actually read how good this website is. So they work with all student levels, with between middle and high school, college, and professionals as well. And you can teach in your various different subjects, such as calculus, computer, IT, law, voice lessons, anything you can think of, English teaching, which is really great. And they've also got a really amazing community. So if there's anything that you're not sure of, you can get help from the community, and they will help you out with information. And they've also got an app where they will keep you connected on the go, and you can sign up on this website. You can also see they have various different products, so textbooks, coupons. I've got a whole bunch of resources for you as well, which is really great. And the next website that I have for you guys is also one of my favorite, and that is Buffer.com. And Buffer.com is a place where you can work a full-time job from the comfort of your home. It's remote working. And what Buffer.com is a company. You can see if I come to their About page, they help businesses build their social media side of the business, such as Facebook or Instagram posts, scheduling, and they will sort all of that out for you, such as scheduled posting, videos, stories, and that sort of thing, and they will build your online business for you. And you can actually work for Buffer.com, and if I come down, you can actually see all of the benefits that you're going to get. So here you can see your perks and benefits. So you can see you're going to work remotely, so you can live and work wherever you are. So you work on your own terms. Profit sharing, so when the company does well, all team members share the profits. Competitive salary, so their salary formula adjusts to your cost of living and experience. You get retreats as well, so you can join the company to get togethers twice per year. Their last retreat was in San Diego. And you also get a home office setup. So when you get into this company, you're going to get a free laptop and $500 to set up your office from home, which is really great. So you're getting a lot from this company, which is amazing. And you also get family leave. So 3 months of family leave for all parents, and more is possible if you want. And you've also get the growth mindset fund, so you get extra money for courses, conferences, and role development. And you can also get some extra cash for a co-working space or a coffee shop work. And you also get health insurance, so they offer health insurance for all of their team members, free ebooks and Kindle books. minimum vacation, 401k salary with a 3% company match, Sabbath tactical. So take a 6-week break, fully paid after every 5 years with Buffer, which is really amazing. And you can see you can join their mailing list to hear when there are new open roles. So you can click on this, it'll open up. So you enter your first name, last name, email address, and they will send you an email when there's a role available for you, which is really fantastic. So I mean, you can read more about them. You can see more about how we remotely. You can see where the Buffer team is right now. They started in 2010 as a simple way to schedule posts on Twitter. Today, they're honored to be the tool that more than 4 million amazing customers use to easily manage their social media presence, which is really good. So you can see a picture of the team. They're really going well, and they are a great company to work for. And the next and final website I have for you guys is also really cool. It is a fantastic side hustle if you want to earn some extra cash on the side. So what you can actually become is you can work as a bird scooter charger. So I'm sure of you, for those who live in bigger cities, such as the UK, I know it's also popular in the US, you can charge scooters. So people drive around these scooters, you can go and collect them, bring them back to your house, charge them, and you're going to get paid for that. So this is a great way to earn some extra cash on the side as a side hustle. So obviously a lot of people do work for Uber and that. This is just another way to earn some extra cash. And you can see how much does a BirdCharger make. So every charger or bird scooter that you charge, you can earn $5 per charge. But what a lot of people do is they will buy like 10 chargers at a time, charge 10 scooters at a time, and they earn like 10 times the amount. Instead of 5, they earn like $50 for charging 10 scooters, which is great. So it goes up from where the birds are harder to capture. So the charger map on the app shows the value of each bird that is ready to charge. A green icon indicates an easy to find scooter that pays around $5. A gold is what's somewhat harder to get and pays a bit more, and a red icon is very difficult to capture and pays as much as $25. Of course, to get a red scooter, you might have to climb a fence, traverse a gully, or play hide and seek with it for an hour. So yeah, you've got to walk around, find these scooters. They are pop up on the application that you download when you become a BirdCharger, and you've got to go around, find them, collect them, take them back to your house and charge them, which is really great. And as you can see, some people make $60 a day doing this, which is good money. In my country, that's about 1,000 Rand per day, which is a big salary here. It's about 30,000 Rand a month, which is about $2,500 a month. In my country is a very good salary, way larger than the average salary in my country, which is really great. So I mean, you can see what the scooters look like. Here's a guy that's charging like, oh wow, 10 of them, 25 of them, and he's making $5 each for charging each of them, which is great. And once you're done charging them, you will be responsible for deploying the chargers or the scooters in the morning. So that means dropping them off at their bird's nest. So you'll see there's an application that will show you like an HQ on the app where you need to drop off the birds, or known as the scooters, and that's where your job will be considered as complete, and you will earn your money for doing that, which is really great. So I mean, there's various different ways to increase your earnings by doing this. So you can pick up as many as possible, create a strategy, live near a nest, double up. First you have to be consistent, and then you have to get more charges. So there's various different ways that you can earn a lot more than $5 per scooter with the help of these tips here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below which your favorite website is. I'm very interested to see what your favorite one is, but mine's definitely journey.buffer.com. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. I'll really appreciate the support. I love the support from you guys. Seeing all the comments really makes me happy that I can help you guys out. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on, that I can send you a video tomorrow, another awesome video just like this one on how you can make money online. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.